I'm Tom Freyberg from WWI Magazine, and we're here at the IDE World Congress 2015 in San Diego, California. I'm pleased to say I'm joined by Avshalom Felber, who is the CEO of IDE Technologies. Avshalom, good to see you.
Hi Tom, good to see you.
Now, it's been a couple of years since we last spoke in Tianjin, China, I believe. A very different part of the world with its own unique challenges. So talk us through the theme of the event here, desalination, and really its future in California and its impacts.
Frankly, the theme is pretty much the same, water scarcity. Terrible water scarcity in Tianjin 2 years ago with our big project there alleviating that problem. And now here in California, seventh year of drought, terrible water scarcity, and the project under commissioning now in Carlsbad is going to be part of the solution for the California water shortage.
And as we heard during the keynote address, there's a big emphasis on the opening of Carlsbad coming up and some tours this week. So tell us what's really unique about the plant, the size, and kind of some more information on that.
Well, as you know, Carlsbad is owned and was developed by Poseidon Water, and IDE was the lead technology provider for that project. And as I said, it's just under commissioning now, and this is going to supply some 300,000 families in the Carlsbad area with fresh water. Some 50 million gallons per annum would flow out from this plant, and it will supply probably many jobs and some $50 million of economical activity in its region. So not only it's water shortage help, it's also generally a help for the economy here.
And the significance of this project has been quoted as the biggest in the Western Hemisphere. And what about the wider impact on North America outside of California and really opening up the gates for large-scale SWRO projects?
Absolutely. IDE has been involved here in America for over a decade in trying to develop desalination, and America has seemed to be traumatized by previous desalination project that was in Tampa Bay some 15 years ago, and it didn't really move on. We believe that the launch of Carlsbad, with all success expected from it, would actually open the gate for taking desalination as mainstream solution with IDE and with other companies to solve the water shortage throughout the south part of America.
Well, it's been getting a lot of headlines. I'm sure after the commissioning and the full opening, it will continue to get some headlines, so we wish you the best of luck with that project. But I want to shift the focus back to China. This morning, actually, you've launched a new project, a new announcement there, so tell us more about that.
Yes, IDE is very diligent in its efforts to widen its footprint and activity, and launched now in China the first of its kind produced water treatment plant for Shangli oil refinery in the western part of China. This is dealing with very, very complicated water with a lot of contaminants in them, and the IDE solution through thermal distillation basically cleans this water and puts them back into the process. And this was the only possible way to operate this very large refinery.
Interesting. So we've gone from municipal through to industrial, and that kind of rolls into my final question, which is 50th anniversary for IDE. Tell us more about this and the significance of it for the water industry.
Well, through our entire history, IDE, as you said, 50th anniversary, has been active in developing new fields and new horizons in the desalination market. We invented some of the basic technologies that are in use all over the world. We've been leader in thermal desalination, then became leaders in reverse osmosis desalination, and lately have moved also into the industrial water treatment arena and the reuse of municipal waste for potable water arena. Not only because of that, but probably somewhat because of that, IDE has won the very honorable nomination by MIT that listed the 50 companies, cleverest companies on earth, and IDE won there the 18th place. Very nice, above Facebook, above Amazon, above many others, and this is significant for us because we've always been technology oriented and new products oriented, and all of these achievements now in our 50th anniversary got this very important announcement.
Excellent. Well, it's great to hear, one, you've beaten Facebook for innovation as a water company, and what you're saying about water reuse, that's going to become even more important here in San Diego and California. So we wish you the best of luck for the Carlsbad development, and we hope to see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you.